volume formula kalau sudah look dulu
L cube.
L cube anita. So question number 11 can solve to na. The volume of a cube is 216 cm cube. Find its surface area. Question number 11 here. A volume ka make the sun. So let each edge PDGE edge asir sina atang sina of the cube B L centimeter. L only doesn't. It's one. A volume calculation on sun. Volume copy law. I'm recording at home. Volume of the cube. On sa volume of cube akan 216 kan ni sun 216. Jadi volume on sa tanga Alem kah asir pahat seizong kah kan zong pot dolan ni cube hini tani cube shape ya cuan hemi length L kan zong cuan pot anga cumi bang jena surface area kan zong ti sia surface area of cube formula kan sia surface area of cube tu surface zong ampai zong will come 6L square ni total surface ni The total surface on non L shear put angaya to volume of cube formula to him L cube kan pianga L cube 216 and it one back to so one L cube 2166 cube on it masse to shot yam no one 216 ka factorize na ila 2 in 108 lakh angaya 2 in 54 and yaga 2 in 27 so 2 in I think 3 in 9 3 in 3 times so you can see 2 pathum le 3 pathum kan le ya hit 2 pathum le 3 pathum putin le tumono ni emo 6 cube ni oh memorize this one so L so a cube root la nga ide a cube root of 2 cube into 3 cube and it don't turn to L equal to a cube root le cube kagan ti both equal 2 into 3 so ka again sa kan le 2 3 are 6 as well kan it's one aleng kan zong pot tahi kan zong so pot ta leng om to next step at he is on to again to surface area of cube kan zong do how to find the surface area of cube. Surface area of cube equal 6L square and yang to 6 into 6 square 6 into 36 216 again cm square area ni bang area to square mean that he can answer how to do so how to find this thing aside a length of edge and atano the edge cubic as an edge can here and atano he idea beka L and beka ni dikha share chala so whenever you are having this type of figure and the side is not known to you, aside is shell over so a volume at cut L is on what and he is on to run it. So heavy L value with him can place a formula L ka 6 sanita L I 6 square can the anga so a surface area to work by. I hope you understand this one. Then we shall move to our next question. The next question will be number 9. Have we solved number 9? Let's solve it through. So one number 9 kalau not to question question number 9 a total surface area tu nem yang tho hi nia cube kan nei sa a total surface area ning pe sa a atira kan tona to khan the let each edge of the let each edge of the cube be L centimeter. It's one. Therefore, what is given? Total surface area available in Pesani. Total surface area of cube question on sa 726. Now total surface area of cube formula hai 6L square so 726 in the third value on here total surface area value on total surface area value true. So here formula kan a formula to 6L square. So L value kan sama. L value is on that then equal to L square equal to 726 divided by 6. 6 and then divide L square to 6 1 times 6 6 2 6 1 here root square root 1 2 1 square root
11.
Very good. So L equal to root over 1 2 1 11 so L equal to 11 centimeter. It's one again a volume now volume of cube equal to class 10 as well, no? Volume of cube equal to L cube here 11 into 11 into 11 can put here in 11 into 11 here you can put here 1 2 1 that's what 1 2 1 into 11 can put here 1 3 3 1 cm cube. That's what we can answer. Okay. Equation number 9. Okay. So the next question to here. Question number number 12. No, not 12. Sorry, number 14. What is question number 14? Go through the question, please. Ole, una cantile to here question number 14. Kani akola look at it very nicely. 3 cubes each of side 5 centimeter. 3 cubes. Cube patung kan 1 2 3. Internet among the only one. Patung clear can join in check here. What shape is this? Cube alan here can join here. So cube patung 1 2 3 cube can join also cuboid then is of the so a cuboid here cube patung can see find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So a cuboid surface area formula 2LB plus BH plus HL khania. So here a length exact in 5 centimeter through 5 5 5 5 length in zat nge le vai em thu zong in zat nge ni 5 plus
15.
15. Very good. So here length of cuboid, length of cuboid, length of cuboid L ka 5 plus 5 cube atum kan zoma bangin 5 voi thum kan bel khom to 15 centimeter kan dia chumi so breadth avang zong kan 5 ni tu BRE the breadth of cuboid B 5 ni nga a breadth ka ngai le nga so height of cuboid over here h asan zong bo angai le ta aleng to efekani hi ti zong anu ai lo draw ta ila avang zong ka 5 ni tawa asan zong po 5 ni to na a effect halo ta ni ma athum tin kan zong khan avang zong le asan zong khai nan do na therefore again until zone 2 surface area of the resulting cuboid here amai zong zong bel khom tin ani ta total surface area le surface area hi tu na ni surface area of the cuboid a formula ka kamanga 2 into LB plus BH plus LH MOHL and yang each one 2 LB aka 15 le 5 kamanga 15 into 5 plus B le H 5 into 5 chuan H le L aka 5 into 50. So, we can multiply so result laka bel khol na turani. Ikan puntir potanga, ikan puntir yang ada lain ikan puntir. 15 into 5 to 75 and 5 into 5 25 and 15 into 5 plus 75 and kan bel khol bet 2 into 175 as well. Kan bel khol. Saringa le saringa bel khom kha za som nga nia nga za som nga ni ngai bel le chi khan wa za som sari pa 20 putirin za thum le som nga cm square answer 175 into 2 ka 350. Okay, so how do you just need to understand the question.
Yes, sir. I know.
It's one question number 14 kan so to kan kalsa de ule kangaya asan cover to kan lang asia so next class topic har sphere til mum soina sphere kan sira tuna hi question pakhat solve the kan ni nga children to question number 12 go to question number 12 number 12 big here hi practical application and practical application on zero two aman na mo mathematics unani topic is real life example antina the capacity of a cuboidal tank to exam cuboid shape of 2 liter singa adongani mo water ka tuika 50,000 liters adongani chuan find the breadth of the tank if the length and depth are in the tank. So again, you can make here length kaunsa length L2 2.5. If its length and depth are length 2.5 meter here, so and depth atu zone so asan zone yang tumun na itu h kan tiang depth kan atu zone so asan zone kan si m Suan, excuse me, so a volume mean capacity have volume. Capacity bracket of the tank. Question answer of the tank tanks are nearly 50,000 liters. To liter meter at Santiago Ducati. Wow, meter at Santiago John 50 asira bracket sung akan lo enula 1 m cube 1 meter cube ka liter sangkat saya lagi. Jadi sangkat tinggal divide dengan liter ka 1 liter to 1 by 1000 ania. Okay, m cube ini semua. Sangkat tinggal divide ka asir akan bracket sung akan lo check tu 1 m cube yang saat ini 1000 liter true or 1000 liter to 1 meter cube alek using kasi ka 1 liter ha 1 by 1000 m cube ani so liter meter ai thak don ani chuan liter meter ai thak don ani chuan sang khatini divide ang tinani so sang khatini divide ta hian 0 hi katanga how many zeros will you cancel 3 zeros you cancel ta isa get so 50 m cube ang chot kami. Therefore, capacity to volume there to munania volume of the tank cuboid shape and cuboidal tank kan volume of the cuboidal tank is equal to 50. So here volume formula L into B into H cube B kan cuboid kan formula H is L I am to 2.5 B 10 H so ini akan tell ini 50 kan kita bangga 10 and 2.5 we multiply kan exactly so 2.5 into 10 biar 1 into 25 to 25 decimal kan sebenarnya 25.0 so to 25 ani maya true sorry my bad breath is also close it so then here you should go near breath he can take a height here take so 25 b equal to 50 as well so b to 50 divided by 25 so 13 b equal to 2 meter as well. Therefore, the breadth of the tank is 2 meter. Hello, Drew. So let's see from the beginning. Let me question big here. Length L 2.5, depth 2 zone H 10 meter. Kena capacity min pesa capacity to lenzat kan kita. So 50,000 liter kan liter singa. Liter hi meter cube akan thak ya. Meter cube thak tu chon sang khatin divide ang sang khatin divide kan bial patumin cancel nga 50 meter cube so don tan chani hi volume ani don ta meter akan da a volume ani ta. So volume of the tank is 50. Volume formula in calculate to L into B into H to 50. L H value kan isa to kan danga B ka angai B alin da to turan ka. B equal to 50 divided by 25 so 13 2. Here punami exercise kan so ani na ya adang se turla ma se angai ko mo lawa ina concept dang se dalangai dona number of things which can be accommodated tigala se dona sumi kan ti huna chon kan khoi don ya For now, this is all we have. And
Sorry.